Hi folks, this is your handyman Pete Figgins getting back with you on the finished product of these recessed countertop hinges. So here you go, I'll show you what they look like. It is fairly a seamless countertop here, and then the access into the area. You just lift the countertop up, and then you can see the hinges fully mounted. And they are nice, strong hinges. Just need to make sure you have to have the proper support on the adjoining side, because they can get pulled and loose. The hinges themselves I don't think would fail, but they would tear out of the countertop if there was not enough support on the adjoining side. So there you have it, recessed countertop hinges.